Hello, this is Bush Mechanics. This is custom braided brake line upgrade because it's actually a lot cheaper than genuine Volvo brake lines. Oh, I've got to replace these rubber brake hoses. They're hard and got bulges in them, and it works out a lot cheaper to get some custom braided ones made up. So I'll whip one of these off, shoot into town and get some made up. Yeah, whip one line off. These are pretty perished around there, and one of them's got a huge bulge, and I think one of the other ones on the other side's sort of crapped out internally because it's not flowing very well. So yeah, these ones got two female ends, so I'll go and get 4 of these made because it's got 4 of them on the front for the 4-pot calipers. Yeah, these are the braided lines I got made up. Got the last one this morning. I'm a little bit sick today, so it's going to be slow going. Just got to do the last one here. Undo the line. And it's got these little springs here. I have to rebend them for the braided lines. Just got to bend the tabs up a little bit to get some more tension, because the fitting's just a tiny bit different. Yeah, so the hoses are all on now. I'll fill it with fluid. I don't think I'll bleed it. I have to go to bed, I'm too sick. Then bleed the system to get all the air out. I'm flushing it right through to get all the crap out too with fresh fluid. Just gravity bleed it through, and you got to do it how the manual says, in this order, so you don't get air trapped in it. Yeah, I had to replace one of these bleed nipples. This one's blocked, but I had some spare calipers, so I whipped one of them off. And yeah, another thing, if your pads are like half worn or more than half worn, don't fill this to the top, because then when it comes time to fitting new pads, it'll overflow and just run everywhere and wreck the paint.